We've already written our rational function in unsimplified factored form. If we wanted to find our simplified factored form, this is the part where we get to cancel out or simplify out anything that shows up in both the numerator and denominator, or top and bottom of our function. And if you notice that x minus 5 shows up in top and bottom, which means that we are going to cancel it out. And then if you notice, the x plus 2 doesn't show up in top and bottom, so we can't cancel it out. And the bottom pieces, the x plus 3 and x minus 1, do not cancel out. So we get our simplified factored form to be x plus 2. You can put it in parentheses still if you'd like. You don't have to. All over x plus 3 times x minus 1. In the bottom, you have to keep the parentheses around your factors because there's more than one factor. But up top, you don't need to. And again, this is our simplified factored form, because there are no factors showing up in top and bottom. We're as simplified as possible. We're going to use our simplified factored form to find the coordinates of the whole. So to find our coordinates of the whole, remember that whatever canceled is going to be our x value. So we cancel or simplified out x minus 5. If we set that equal to 0, we find out that x is equal to 5. That is the x coordinate of our whole. Now we need to find f of 5 to find the y value. You need to make sure that you are using the simplified form. I'm not going to use a simplified standard form because I don't want to have to multiply the denominator. I'm just going to use the simplified factored form. So I'm going to have 5 plus 2 up top instead of x plus 2, all over 5 plus 3, plugging in where we had the x plus 3, times 5 minus 1. Now from here, you can use your calculator or you can work on your mental math. We have 7 up top, all over 8 times 4, and we get 7 all over 32, which doesn't reduce, and that's fine. But this is our y value, so our coordinates of the whole, or the point for the whole, is going to be 5, because that was the x value we found, comma, 7 over 32. And remember, if you were to graph this, it would literally look like a hole punch in your graph, because it's going to come up, have an open circle, and then keep going. Well, it may be going down, but you get what I'm getting at. That circle or that point at 5 comma 7 over 32 is going to be open. We cannot close it in. So if you had something like this, not okay. It's got to be an open circle or a hole at 5 comma 7 over 32.